Alright, so it's first thing in the morning. I'm not feeling great emotionally. I've had at least 1 cup of coffee today, so that's a good start. On to my second cup. Mind you, my cups are like half a litre, so, you know, it's like quite big. But today, I'm deciding to actually try and get something done and do something productive. So I'm going to install a handle on my door, a new handle on my door. My bedroom door, because the old one is 20 plus years old and it is trashed. So first things first, I gotta get all the tools together for that. It's like I'm just being lazy and going to use a electric drill or electric screwdriver and put it all together. It should be pretty simple. It's just a straight up Bunnings buy, so it should be easy. Alright, let's go get that done. Let's go get the components together. Outside. To the shed. To the shed. To the shed. Get some. The electric. Do I have an electric screwdriver? Time to find the parts. I'll be back. Got everything I need. Couldn't find a screwdriver, unfortunately, or an electric screwdriver, so I'm just going to use hand tools, which shouldn't be lazy, just use the hand tools. It's easier, it's simpler, you know. So got all that together. Now it's just a matter of pulling the old handle off and putting a new one on. So let's get to that. Off. Now I just need to put the new one on. Hopefully it goes well and I don't need to do anything extra or insane to it. Yeah, hands are already completely filthy with graphite because that's what we decided to put on the door at some stage because it, for some reason, wasn't moving nicely. So graphite the hell out of it, apparently. But yeah, let's get to the installation phase of this video. Ran into a small problem. My old door handle didn't have like a face plate like this one does, so I need to now try and make this one flush with the door somehow. So more tools needed. Gotta go get some more tools. Yeah, be right back. Right, so it looks like I have the tools that I need to do this somewhat properly. It's just a matter of I need to learn how to use these tools. I have no idea what I'm doing, so we're going to try to learn how to use these, some YouTube tutorials and I'll be right back. So, watched a video, sort of got a gist of it. I'm just going to wing it, essentially, because I don't know. Hopefully it works out. I don't know. So, onto the installation and all that. Hopefully it goes well. got it done. That was a challenge. It doesn't look amazing, but it also doesn't look horrible. It's no professional job, and I didn't expect it to be, but it's all pretty much flush. It's a little bit my skills with the trimmer are lacking, but for the first time around I'm happy with that. Yeah, no, it's like, yes, it's pretty good. Like, you can see, like, on the edges is pretty average, and it's not exactly flush, but the handles are on. It's not exactly the nicest door, but, and my little shield is on. So, all done. I'll be moving on to my next step, which is cleaning up. Yay! So I'll get doing that now. Room's all tidy now, everything's cleaned up, handles installed. I think I'm going to leave this video here for today, being that it's going to be one of my first videos, so I'm hoping it's going to come out somewhat okay. Thank you for watching. I will catch you all next time. Bye!